When it comes to eating healthy, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the noise fad diets, trending superfoods, conflicting advice. But if I strip all that away, what remains are simple, real foods that have stood the test of time and science. These aren't just good for you, they're essential. Let's break down the 15 healthiest foods you should be eating regularly, why they're powerful, and how you can easily fit them into your daily routine. First up, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate. They're also rich in fiber, iron, and antioxidants. Spinach supports heart health and bone strength, while kale can aid in detoxification. I love adding them to smoothies, salads, stir-fries, or simply sautéing with garlic and olive oil for a fast, nourishing side. Next, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, these fish reduce inflammation, support brain health, and improve heart function. Salmon also provides vitamin D and selenium. I try to include at least 2 servings per week, whether grilled, baked, or even mixed into a quinoa bowl. Avocados are up next, rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. They help reduce bad cholesterol and keep you full longer. Smash them on whole grain toast, blend into smoothies, or cube into salads for a creamy, nutritious boost. Now, blueberries. These tiny berries are antioxidant giants. High in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, they help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. They also support memory and brain function. I like to toss them into oatmeal, yogurt, or just eat them as a refreshing snack. Nuts, almonds. Walnuts, pistachios are a convenient way to boost nutrition. A handful provides protein, healthy fats, magnesium, and fiber. Walnuts are especially great for brain health, and almonds support skin and heart health. I snack on them or add them to smoothies, salads, or trail mixes. Eggs are often misunderstood but are one of the most complete sources of protein. Packed with nutrients like B12, choline, and selenium, eggs can support both heart and eye health when eaten in moderation. Boil, scramble, poach, or bake them into healthy muffins or veggie-packed omelets. Greek yogurt is thicker and more satisfying than regular yogurt, and it's high in protein and probiotics. That means it helps improve gut health and supports muscle maintenance. I always go for plain, unsweetened options and top with fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds such as sulforaphane that may reduce cancer risk. They're also rich in fiber, vitamin C, and folate. I love roasting them until crispy, steaming, and tossing with olive oil, or blending them into soups. Quinoa is a superstar grain. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Plus, it's gluten-free and packed with magnesium, iron, and fiber. I use it as a base for salads, bowls, or as a replacement for rice. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. With these 15 foods, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive deliciously and simply. Try adding just 1 or 2 to your meals each week and see how you feel. Here's to eating well, every single day. Garlic is more than just flavor. It's a medicinal marvel. It contains allicin, a compound known to boost immune function and reduce blood pressure. Chop it fresh and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate its health-promoting enzymes. Beans and lentils. These legumes are full of plant protein, fiber, iron, and potassium. They help regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and keep you full longer. Add them to soups, stews, tacos, or make into veggie patties. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A. They're anti-inflammatory and support eye and skin health. Plus, they provide fiber and potassium. Roast them, mash them, or slice into wedges for healthy fries. Green tea isn't just a beverage. It's loaded with antioxidants like EGCG, which have powerful effects on metabolism and brain health. It may also support fat loss. Try replacing sugary drinks with a cup or 2 of freshly brewed green tea daily. Let's not forget about berries: strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Beyond blueberries, these berries are just as nutritious. They're low in sugar, high in fiber, and filled with antioxidants. Excellent for your skin, heart, and brain health. Add them to water for a refreshing twist, or mix into your morning cereal. And yes, chocolate made the list, when it's the right kind. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, is rich in flavonoids that support heart health, circulation, and even mood. Just keep portions modest. 1 to 2 squares a day is enough to enjoy the benefits without overdoing sugar or calories. Knowing which foods are healthy is a great start, but knowing how to use them daily makes all the difference. So let's break down how to build a full-day meal plan using the top 15 healthiest foods, so you're not just informed, you're transformed by what you eat. Breakfast, fuel up the smart way. I always start my day with a protein-rich breakfast to stabilize my blood sugar and energy levels. One of my favorites? Greek yogurt as the base. I add blueberries and walnuts for antioxidants and healthy fats, then drizzle it with raw honey and sprinkle some chia seeds or quinoa puffs for that extra fiber. Sometimes I cook eggs, scrambled, boiled, or poached, and pair them with a slice of avocado toast on whole grain bread. Add some sautéed spinach or kale on the side for fiber and iron, and you've got a breakfast that really fuels your morning. Mid-morning snack. Keep the energy flowing. To avoid the crash from processed bars, I go for a handful of almonds or pistachios, or sometimes just a simple boiled egg. These keep my hunger at bay and give my body the healthy fats and proteins it craves. Lunch. Build a balanced plate. For lunch, I love building my plate around lean protein like grilled salmon or sardines. I add a serving of quinoa and then pile on roasted cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or Brussels sprouts. A spoonful of fermented foods, think kimchi or sauerkraut, can boost gut health, especially if I've already had Greek yogurt during the day. And I never forget sweet potato wedges for their beta-carotene and fiber. Afternoon pick-me-up natural energy boost. I ditch the sugary coffee drinks and go for a cup of green tea. Its EGCG compound boosts metabolism and improves alertness, without the caffeine crash. Sometimes I'll indulge in a few squares of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, for antioxidants and just a touch of indulgence. Dinner, light but nutrient-dense. Dinner is my time to bring back fatty fish or try a plant-based combo like lentils with a quinoa salad. I love adding roasted cauliflower or grilled zucchini, drizzled with olive oil and seasoned with turmeric and garlic for both flavor and anti-inflammatory power. Before bed, digest and repair. I avoid heavy meals late at night. Instead, I go for a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt topped with berries or a few slices of avocado. This helps stabilize my blood sugar overnight and gives me amino acids that aid in sleep and tissue repair. Bonus tip: hydration counts. I always infuse my water with cucumber, lemon, and mint, or toss in some frozen berries. Hydration plays a key role in how well my body absorbs and uses all the nutrients from these powerhouse foods. By planning my meals around these 15 foods, I naturally crowd out less healthy options and give my body what it really needs to thrive, without restrictive dieting. This isn't about counting calories. It's about counting nutrients. Food is a simple part of daily life, yet it has the power to transform our well-being and happiness. Every bite is a chance to nourish our bodies and bring joy to our routines. Let's discover how embracing the power of food can change our lives in unexpected ways. Ever feel bloated or sluggish after eating? That's not how it has to be. Adding fiber-rich foods like greens, whole grains, and beans helps keep digestion smooth and regular. These foods also feed your gut's good bacteria, supporting nutrient absorption and gut health. Simple choices, like adding spinach or beans, nurture your body from the inside out. Chronic inflammation can quietly harm our health, but food is a powerful tool to fight it. Swapping processed foods for colorful, whole foods gives your body antioxidants and polyphenols, nature's anti-inflammatories. Foods like fatty fish, nuts, and spices, such as turmeric, help calm inflammation. Each meal can be a step toward balance and protection. Eating well means giving your body defenders against stress and disease. Tired of energy crashes? It's often about what you eat. Meals built with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, like chicken, avocado, and quinoa, release energy steadily. This keeps your blood sugar stable and your energy consistent. You'll feel more focused, balanced, and less reliant on caffeine or sugar. True vitality comes from fueling your body the right way. Your skin reflects your inner health. Whole foods rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, like avocados, berries, and leafy greens, nourish your skin from within. Vitamin C from citrus and peppers boosts collagen for firmness and glow. Over time, you'll notice clearer, brighter, more radiant skin. Brain fog isn't just about sleep, it's also about nutrition. Omega-3s from fish and walnuts, antioxidants from berries, and B vitamins from greens all support sharper thinking. Eating these foods regularly protects your brain and boosts focus and memory. Nourish your mind as well as your body. Your heart's health is shaped by what you eat. Foods like oats, beans, bananas, and fatty fish lower cholesterol, support blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Healthy fats from olive oil and avocados strengthen your cardiovascular system. Every meal is a chance to protect your heart. Build a resilient engine for life with every bite. Focus on building lean muscle, not just losing weight. High-quality protein and fiber-rich foods help you feel full, burn fat, and maintain muscle. These choices stabilize blood sugar and support a healthy metabolism. You'll feel stronger, leaner, and more energized. A strong immune system starts with good nutrition. Vitamin C, D, and zinc from fruits, veggies, nuts, and fish equip your body to fight off illness. Eating a rainbow of whole foods keeps your defenses strong. Give your immune system the tools it needs to protect you. Stay resilient and ready for anything. If you're inspired, subscribe to Live Healthy every day and share your favorite healthy food in the comments. Every small step, like adding greens or swapping a snack, builds a stronger, more vibrant you. Thanks for joining this journey. Keep moving forward, one healthy habit at a time.